Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. This segment is called Sweet Delights, a place where we discover the world of desserts and pastries. And today we're going to France to uncover the secrets of one of their most famous desserts, the Phitivier. So come on this journey with me as we explore this exquisite French pastry, its history, the recipe, and some anecdotes. The Phitivier originates from Phitivier in the Loire department of France. It has a rich history that dates back several centuries. And legend has it that it was created in honor of King Francois during its coronation in 1515. A local pastry chef crafted a magnificent dish in the shape of a crown, using layers of a buttery puff pastry filled with almond cream. It was in fact named Phitivier after the town where it was created and soon became an instant sensation among the French aristocracy. Making a Phitivier involves multiple delicacies, but the result is worth it. And here I have the list of some ingredients and its preparation. And so let's begin with 2 sheets of puff pastry, either store-bought or if you feel energetic, you may make it yourself. 1 cup of ground almonds, ½ cup of granulated sugar, 2 fresh eggs, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 egg yolk for the egg wash portion, and confectionery sugar for the dusting. And so let's begin. Preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Mix ground almonds, granulated sugar, eggs, softened butter, and almond extract in a large-size mixing bowl. Carefully roll out 1 sheet of the puff pastry and place it on a large baking sheet which you have lined with parchment paper. Spread the almond cream mixture evenly over the puff pastry, leaving a small border around the edges. Carefully position the second sheet of puff pastry on top, pressing the edges together to seal the filling. Make decorative cuts on top layer of the puff pastry with a sharp knife. Then whisk the egg yolk in a small bowl and brush it over the top of the pastry to create a golden glaze. At this point, you may bake it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the pastry is golden brown and puffed. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Then dust the top with powdered sugar for the elegant finish we all love. You're ready to slice and serve this delectable French dessert, savoring every bite of its flaky layers and its creamy almond filling. In addition to the recipe, it seems to be that Napoleon Bonaparte was said to be particularly fond of Phitivier. He would often request it for dessert at grand banquets. Additionally, renowned French pastry chef Auguste Escoffier refined the Phitivier recipe and presented it in its classic circular shape, symbolizing unity and perfection. The Phitivier has also found its way onto the menus of famous French patisseries worldwide. In conclusion, dear friends, the Phitivier enduring legacy in French culinary history is a testament to its regal origins and its exquisite taste. And whether you are a pastry connoisseur or like me have a sweet tooth, the Phitivier is a dessert that should be noticed. And that does it for Flavors and Knowledge on the Phitivier. Join us next time on Sweet Delights as we uncover more hidden treasures from the world of sweets. Stay well and eat safe. Ciao, ciao.